5 ways to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads. Getting clear skin is no easy feat, especially when you get up close and personal and notice all those nasty whiteheads and blackheads sitting on your pores. Unfortunately, they're not the easiest to get rid of, but that doesn't mean you have to be stuck with them. With a few tricks and tips, you can unclog your pores and transform your skin. Here are 5 effective ways to get rid of those pesky whiteheads and blackheads once and for all. 1. Steam it out. First, you'll want to clear out those pores, and you can do so using steam. You can even just take a soft hand towel and drop it into hot water. After you check that it's not too hot, place the towel onto your problem areas, and the heat will open up pores. 2. Use salicylic acid. Salicylic acid is ideal for dissolving blackheads. Use a leave-on product to increase your exposure to the active ingredient and continue use for several weeks. 3. Exfoliate with oatmeal. Oatmeal can help get rid of dead skin cells as well as bacteria on the face that could be causing your whiteheads and blackheads. Create a face mask using oatmeal and yogurt and let it sit on your face for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and repeat twice a week. 4. Use a floss stick. This trick involves using disposable flossers to help extract your whiteheads and blackheads. Drag the floss over your nose in a scraping motion. You should notice some white pus coming out. This option is much cheaper than using a metal extractor. 5. Moisturize. Many people avoid moisturizers because they think they will make them break out, but many treatments strip the skin of its natural oils, and you want to make sure the skin maintains its proper balance. Moisturizing can help replenish the skin and prevent any future whiteheads or blackheads from clogging pores.